Hello, how are you doing? Join me learn how to make a delicious European style fisherman soup. Join me as I take you through the step to create this hearty and flavorful dish, perfect for seafood lovers and anyone looking for a cozy meal. Subscribe for more cooking tutorials and recipes. Here I will be using shrimps, one packet of shrimps. You can also call it prawns, depends on the country you are. I'll be using one pack. So one thing I'm going to use again, I'm going to use a dry fish. I'm going to use stockfish. I'm going to use meat. Feel free to use any fish of your choice. Here I have stockfish. Okay, I can lay my hand, but I'm going to prepare this delicious. Don't go away, you're going to see how I prepare it. This is my onions. Just keep watching, and if today is your first video, you kindly give this video a thumbs up, share it to your loved ones, and don't forget to share and give it a thumbs up. Let me know how you cook yours. So keep watching, guys. All the ingredients I use will be in the description below, and also write them here for you to check it out. Don't forget to let me know what you like about this wonderful delicious fisherman soup. Do you like it? Do you cook it also? Let me just give you some message that some people who know when I was cutting the curd. I call it here a German name. It is called grünkohl. So I'm going to be using this grünkohl because I said whenever I'm going to cook a soup or dish with it, I'm going to get you along. So watch to the end to know how I use this curd or grünkohl. Keep watching, guys. So you can see how I added the curl that is green cool. When you bring it out from the fridge, don't allow it to defreeze. Just add it as you bring it out. Make sure you break it. You see how I squeeze it on the waterproof? I added it. I didn't allow it to defreeze, because if you allow it to defreeze, it can change color. This is what you can learn from this recipe. This using of this curl or green cool. Hope you learned something today. Let me know how you're going to, or if you're going to try it, in the comment section. Don't forget to give me your taste, how you like, how you cook yours. Keep watching. Yummy. Vegetables to be done. Enjoy.
This is Chikwado's best channel. If you are looking for a place to learn how to cook, Chikwado's best. Everybody can pull up Chikwado's best. Chikwado's best. For lifestyle and products refuse, Chikwado's best. I mean, you want to be happy and jolly, Chikwado's best. Chikwado's best, oh, Chikwado's best. We do food, vlog, product review, and lifestyle, and more. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like, and comment.